That was his guy to pick up. He just didn't do it. He did everything right, going to the right thing, broke the line, maybe his ankle. He got it. His body just shut down.
It's good. So, hold on. Ground beef. I'm about to do this chili mac. I realized I did a short, but I never went live to it. So we're gonna do it live. So I only do oil in my noodles so they don't stay together. Alright, I'm gonna season this out anyway. And I'm doing it right here. And my tomato paste. So I'm in there. I showed you how to do it on the short, but we're gonna do this live because I need to get this time done. And I'm gonna cook them over. Watch out, baby boy. We got to bring this all over here. Excuse me. Y'all see that right there, right? Yeah, I know my noodles is over there. It's gonna be ground beef. Watch out, guys. Hey, kid. Cooking my chili mac. I did it on the short, but y'all never seen me. I was wondering if I had did it live, because y'all know I don't really like to do live, the same live over again with the same food. I'm doing a chili mac live now. So that's what we're working with. This might not be a big enough pan for what I'm trying to do here, guys. Let me see. And if y'all listen, let's go. You hear what you don't, they football talking. My job being. Okay, I might be able to work the magic in this. All I gotta do is do my sauce and cook my ground beef in here. And then once I cook this, the noodles get cooked, and I mix them together with the cheese. After I do my sauce and stuff, and then I put cheese. Well, I put cheese on the top and put it in the oven. Chili mac. It's just from scratch instead of doing the hamburger helper from the bag. I mean from the Hold on, y'all. I'm in my seasoning cabinet right now. All that sneeze is coming.